She got that fire, yeah, 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 yeah. Y'all, I'm so churchy. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I have an amazing wig look for you today. I am literally bringing the heat to your beaks, you birds, like tweet, tweet. I'm literally bringing the heat with this flame-inspired, fire-inspired wig. Listen, this wig took me through hell and high water. Like, I had the hardest time getting the idea out of my head onto the wig. But I made it, and I'm so glad that I did. And because I did, I'm sharing this great content with you. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Wait. Hold up, let me put some pimping in it. Before we get into this video, what I need you guys to do is I need you to do three things for me. I need you to subscribe to this channel. I need you to like this video and all videos before this video. And thirdly, I need you to hit that notification so that you can become a part of the notification gang, so that you do not miss a video. I will be uploading another video this coming Wednesday, and I'm really excited about that look. So after you've done those three things, let's get into this video. Hi guys, this is Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. All right. So basically what I'm doing is my normal routine of making the wig on the sewing machine, just double wefting. I'm mapping out now where I'm going to be placing all of the wefts, so that when I get on the sewing machine, I know exactly, where to place the weft and how far to sew. So that really helps. I'll be releasing an actual how to make a wig on the sewing machine video pretty soon. So in the meantime, just keep watching as I slay this wig. So I am literally just sewing the bundles that I had just doubled onto the cap, where I mapped out where I was going to place the wefts. So guys, let me give you some backstory on this wig. So I had this idea in my mind that I wanted a burgundy fading into a red, fading into an orange, fading into a yellow, and I did not have any 613 hair on hand. All I had was my raw Indian hair, which was of course the natural brown color. And let me tell you how this wig gave me trouble. It was the fact that, I was trying to lift this hair so quick. I had to do this wig quicker than I have ever done any other wig, because I literally had clients yesterday and I was filming for this video at the same time, coloring hair, running around town, picking up hair. It was just a mess. So I was rushing, trying to get it done. And so I literally stayed up to like 12 o'clock in the morning, getting this unit completed and colored, so that when I got up this morning that I could make the unit. So here we are, making the unit. The color came out phenomenal. I'm very pleased with it, even though it gave me a hell getting it together. I am really satisfied with how this color turned out. If you like this color as much as I do, comment in the comment section and say something that you like about the color, because woo, struggle was in the land. I was literally on the struggle bus. Let me just give a special shout out to my client that you see here, Miss JAZLYNN Westbrook. Listen, I thank her for even allowing me to record this, because she's a YouTuber as well. Most times when, you know, your clients come, they don't really have to allow you to record them when they're paying you. So I really appreciate her for that. And she is like the most patient person ever. Like, most of my clients are patient because for those that don't know, I move like grandpa of the year. I said it before, and I'll say it again, but I move like grandpa of the year while I'm doing hair. So they just sit here so patiently waiting on me to curl the same piece of hair like 25 times. So again, special shout out to Miss JAZLYNN Westbrook. Okay, so if I've ever done your hair, I want you to comment below right here, because you know at this point in time the pain that you are about to experience. Like this band, like I have this band so tight on people's head, but it is necessary because the melt that it achieves, you know, once it's removed is like phenomenal. So like at this point in time, Miss JAZLYNN, her brains are being squeezed to death. But at the end, you'll see that it was necessary. And Beyonce said it best, pretty hurts. And I tell my clients this, pretty hurts, pretty hurts. Alright. So at this point in time, I am releasing her brains from being squeezed. And I am getting into this comb out and the final touches. This wig is literally fire. Just like I said, in the intro. Like, I'm breaking the heat to your beats, you birds, like tweet, tweet. If you don't know, that's like a Nicki Minaj line. By the way, shout out to Nicki. You don't know it yet, but you my client. I'm just waiting on you to hit me up. I don't know what you waiting on and why you playing for. Anyway, this wig is everything. This wig is really, really, really everything. I'm so enthused about this color because you would think that this hair was 613. I promise you guys, it was a natural brown color and I lifted it. So that goes to show you that I have very great quality hair to be able to lift high enough to achieve a yellow, a orange, for that matter, and still, not look crazy or fried. And this hair didn't look crazy or fried, even in person. So enjoy this video. style, it's the color, it's the curl, it's the everything for me. The melt is on point, the color is on point, the lace is on point, the model is on point. Like, everything with this look to me is on point. And I'm not just saying that because it's my work, but I'm just saying that because it's my work. Like, this look is it's literal fire. And there you have it. Always remember, subscribe to my channel, like this video and all videos that I release, and turn on that notification bell so that you can become a part of the notification gang. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.